Imagine earning money while sitting in your college library, or even in your pajamas at home, without a job, without a degree, and without investing a single rupee. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Welcome to the power of ChatGPT. In 2025, students around the world are using this AI tool to build income streams from scratch. Some are making side income, and some have even turned it into a full-time career. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful and practical ways you can start making money as a student using ChatGPT. No technical skills, no fancy tools, just creativity, consistency, and the willingness to learn. And make sure you stick till the end, because tip number 5 is the one that can turn into a real business empire for you. Let's begin. And if you're serious about making money and growing smarter with AI, hit that subscribe button right now and join the journey. Whether you're in school, university, or just trying to survive student life, this video is going to change how you look at side hustles. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's a tool that can help you earn, build, and grow your skills into income right from your mobile or laptop. The first method is freelance writing and blogging. Even if you're not a great writer, ChatGPT makes it easy. You can offer writing services like blog posts, product descriptions, social media content, or even resumes. Many students use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour to offer these services. ChatGPT helps you create quick drafts, polish your language, and deliver high-quality work in less time. You can easily charge $10 to $20 for a basic article. And with just a few orders a week, that's real money coming in. Some students are making $500 or more per month with this simple strategy. And the best part is, the more you do it, the better and faster you get. The second way is to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or study guides. You don't need to be an expert. Use ChatGPT to help write content like fitness guides, academic cheat sheets, how-to books, or digital planners. Then sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Once you make a digital product, it can earn for you again and again. This is called passive income. Just imagine, one good product can bring in income every week without you doing any extra work. It's perfect for students with a bit of creativity and time. Third, use ChatGPT to help others study smarter. You can summarize textbooks, generate flashcards, solve practice problems, or make simple presentations and study notes. Offer this help to your classmates, juniors, or even online communities. You're not doing their homework. You're giving them tools to learn faster. And during exam season, students are ready to pay for quality notes and guides. Some students are making $200 to $300 in a single exam week just by packaging their notes and offering online study sessions powered by ChatGPT. Now let's talk about social media content creation. This is where creativity meets opportunity. You can use ChatGPT to write captions, plan content calendars, generate video scripts, and come up with content ideas for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, anything. You can build your own page in a niche like motivation, finance, or productivity. Or you can offer services to influencers or small businesses who need help with regular posting. Combine ChatGPT with free tools like Canva, CapCut, or InShot, and you're a one-person media agency. Many students are charging $50 to $100 per month per client. And with just 3 to 4 clients, you're hitting a solid monthly income. Finally, the most powerful way is to build a ChatGPT-powered micro-agency. This is where you offer multiple services: writing, social media management, resumes, content creation, all powered by AI. You don't need a team, you don't need an office, just a simple website or Instagram page to take orders and ChatGPT to handle most of the work. Pair this with automation tools like Zapier or Notion, and you're running a lean, profitable business while attending classes. Students who do this well are building real brands, earning more than regular jobs and learning business skills on the way. Now that you know the power of ChatGPT, the question is, which method will you try first? Whether you start with writing, notes, content, or build your own agency. The time is now. You don't need to wait for a job. You don't need capital. You just need initiative. Let me know in the comments which idea inspired you the most.